y'all. So as y'all seen in the title, this video is going to be about how I apply my half wig, well, one of my half wigs. And today I'm going to be wearing Flatter Girl. She's a half wig, 24 inches, and she's in the color blue black. Y'all remember me showing y'all the 7 wigs that I purchased from wigtypes.com in my previous vlog. A lot of y'all were asking me, can I show how I apply these half wigs? So your girl is gonna come through for you. I purchased 7 or 8 wigs. I think it was 7. So whenever I get around wearing those wigs, I'm gonna do a video on how I apply each one of those wigs. So here's the wig right here. Like I said, she's 24 inches. And she's in the color blue black. She has blue streaks in her, and she has a yaki texture, which I love, and she also has layers. I already parted my leave out right here, which might be too much, but I can always adjust it later. It might not be too much. It just depends on what kind of style you're going for. First, I'm gonna show y'all a style without any leave out, because everybody don't want to leave their hair out because your textures might not match up with this wig. So let me stuff this in real quick. Okay, so all I did was just stuff that under this wig cap. You're gonna need a headband of some sort because you don't want this band here showing. Girl, don't walk out that house with that band showing like that. All half wigs come with this wide comb right here, and then a comb in the back and a drawstring, because you can use, you can use this as a ponytail, a drawstring ponytail. I've never used any of these wigs as a drawstring ponytail. We're just going to put these combs here. Slide this back a little bit. Just gonna put these combs right there. And you see what I mean by you have to hide that band. And then, so then I'm gonna put the combs in the back. And this wig is pretty snug like this, so I don't have to use the drawstring. But if you have a smaller head, you can use the drawstring. She's so soft, and I love this texture. I do not like that silky straight hair. I love this yaki textured hair, and the blue is just popping. It's just like the right amount of blue. This wig is so pretty, and I thought she was gonna be too long. She comes right at my boobie, y'all can see, so that's not too long. Show y'all the back. I'm short, so you really can't see. Excuse the rolls. Just focus on the hair, focus on the hair. But yeah, she comes like right at my bra strap. So, oh, this is pretty. Now, this is my first time purchasing her. And yes, I call all my wigs her. But we gotta cover up this band. We gotta cover up the band. So I'm gonna just throw this headband on real quick. This headband is kind of too thick. I'm just giving y'all an idea because I wouldn't wear this thick. I'm gonna just fold it. But I wouldn't wear a real thick headband. I just want the band to be thick enough to cover, you know, the band. So yeah, there we go. Just like that. We gotta apply the gel to do something to these edges, which I should have did this before I put the headband on. But y'all get the idea, and I'm not about to really do anything special to them. Okay, it's real sloppy, but y'all get the idea. All right, so this is how I will wear her with no leave out. So pretty. This hair is so soft too. If y'all here and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button so y'all can get updates on this wig, because I'm gonna be wearing it, you know, in my vlogs. I know somebody had asked me about shedding in the video. Nope, I'm not getting any with this wig. Oh, I like this wig. I'm so happy I purchased her. I am going to be ordering more of this wig because, like I told y'all in the vlog, I do not like when my wigs start to look, you know, a little raggedy. Like when the ends start getting all nappy and, you know, so we'll see how long this one lasts. And then when I purchased her, I'm like 24 inches. I'm not about to be walking around here with no 24 inch weave, but this is perfect. Maybe I thought 24 inches was longer than it is. All right, so let's do another hairstyle with leave out. All right, so I got my leave out. It looks like a lot, but it's not. It's really not a lot. So when you have your leave out, of course, you're gonna place the wig behind your leave out. So put it right there. And then just do the same thing. Put your combs in the back and use a drawstring if you need to. I'm gonna part this down the middle. Of course, you can do a side part, but I just really like middle parts. So let's see if I can do a braid, like 2 braids going to the back style. And you can either braid or twist. And make sure when you braid or twist, you gather some of the wig hair into your real hair so it can all flow and look more natural. Alright, so this style is very cute too, especially when you don't want all that hair in your face, because I would probably wear it like this because I don't want it like this either, you know, all on my neck. It's too hot for all that. But yeah, so that's how that looks in the back. I hope it looks right back there. The band is not really too much showing on mine, but you can kind of pull up. Dang, I need a what you call them, rat tail comb, so I can pull up a little hair, you know, to kind of camouflage it. You see, I just pulled up just a little bit of hair to kind of camouflage that band, you know. See, nobody should be all up on the top of your head anyway. All right, that's it, guys. So I hope you liked this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next half wig try on.